Just give me 120 seconds and I will definitely help you to defeat lust. This isn't pleasure, this is lust, and it's eating you alive. It starts when you're bored. One reel, one tap, and suddenly you're drowning in it. 30 minutes gone. Strength gone. Pride gone. Your soul polluted. And worst of all, you think you need it. Lust kills your focus. Lust kills your discipline. Lust kills your confidence, and it never gives you peace. You know this, isn't you? You've wasted days, weeks, maybe even years. But it doesn't matter, because the comeback starts now. Every urge you fight is a muscle you build. Every temptation you destroy is a war you've won. Most men stay weak, but not you. You're done being average. You're done being ruled by urges. You are not born to be average. Imagine your ancestors watching you while doing that pitiful thing. You are not your past. You are your next choice. No more excuses, no more shame. Kill the lust and take your power back. And the last thing I want to say is, don't be defeated by lust.